To resync changes to your design in Canva, start by opening up your design and making the edits you wish to implement. Next, head over to Apps and type in CreatEcards. Click on the CreatEcards icon, which will open the CreatEcards app. If this is your first time using the app, you might need to agree to use it. Then, click on Sync Design, select Online Invitation, and proceed to sync to CreatEcards. Hit Export to export the new version of your design to CreatEcards. You'll receive a link once this process is completed. Simply follow the link you received. After following the link, assuming you're already logged into the account that owns the invitation, you'll see a message prompting you to sync changes. Click on Sync Changes, and this will return you to the invitation with your edits applied.